Hi all, welcome back to my channel. This is always Melanie, and I'm focusing on a lot of design in this episode. I want to show you what I've been busy doing here in Tucson with some interior design, redesign, and selling of properties here in town, working with a very talented group of builders and architects. So I want to show you a property that was purchased. It was an absolute wreck. And by getting in there and really committing and lots of panic, we got it done in 30 days, flipped it for a profit. And I want to show you some before, some progress, and some after. So let's take a look at what the original floor plan was, and then I'm going to show you how we turned things around, and then I'm going to show you some ugly pictures and then some pretty pictures. Okay, let's take a look at the floor plan. This property is basically a fairly small square with two rectangular houses built onto it. The front house, the main house, is slightly larger. This perimeter was all ugly, chain length, broken down, bad fencing. All of that got removed. There was a large broken fence and gate here between the two properties. We removed that. The original floor plan had you coming in and you were looking through the front door right out through the back door, which is referred to as a shotgun house, meaning you can open the front door, fire a shotgun, it will go right through the back door and not hit any walls. In the original, this was the kitchen back here. It was a very strange layout and painted the most hideous colors you've ever seen. The master bedroom was here. There was a very small, very strange bathroom with what looked like a bunk bed built over the shower. The master room here was a large, empty, disgusting space. The people who had been living in here had literally been keeping goats and chickens and bunny rabbits in here. So this house was a complete and total disaster. The casita next door was being inhabited. When you see the pictures, you won't believe anybody lived there, but they did. You came in here in this main room and it had a tiny little galley kitchen here. This was a swinging door that went into a small bedroom. There was also an exit door here, which we removed. We redid the bathroom and reconfigured a little closet here. So let me show you what the after floor plan looks like. New fencing all the way around here, and this is a galvanized steel and iron gate that has a rolling gate which goes into covered parking, a rolling gate which goes into covered parking. The man gate here is much more inviting. We tore out the ugly fence. In the main house, we flipped, so what was a kitchen became a second bedroom. And our kitchen relocated here into the main room, and what is a custom poured concrete countertop that's been highly polished that creates an island effect, separating but not closing off the main room. It shortened the space of the main room, but it became so much more efficient. You would never miss having that extra space. The master bedroom, in the original, they had built this very weird outdoor closet as their master closet. That got torn out. The side of the house got re-sided and a carport was built here. So this became the master closet with a pocket door. The master bedroom got a new window, and this little area right here became a built-in here for the furnace and the second closet in the second bedroom. Nice hallway that runs down through this part of the house into the bathroom. This area became the water closet. All of this got torn out, and a beautiful built-in shower, a little laundry room for a stacker, and our vanity. In the casita, the kitchen, none of this got changed, But the casita kitchen, of course, was redone. A tiny built-in table was put in. A window here in the bedroom for egress and ingress and ingress and egress in an emergency. Completely new bathroom with room for a stacker washer and dryer, a walk-in shower, and a water closet and vanity. And then a small little closet here, giving this bedroom a complete bedroom so that a person could rent this property out. They could have family live in it. They could have this as an office and or an Airbnb, whatever they chose to do with it. This area here was all graded, cleaned, and fresh. Gravel was put down. The landscaping to the house was kept. It was just trimmed and watered, and it turned out really beautiful. The exterior colors on this house, I chose putty as the main body and eucalyptus as the trim because I was pulling all my inspiration from the plants in the front. And the siding on the house is the original cedar siding. This mid-century house had so much charm to it, but it was filthy and neglected and sad. And so keeping that cedar siding, adding a beautiful red brick to tie around, and keeping the color palette very, very complementary to the plants, created a serene, almost oasis-like looking house. We added in some galvanized steel as side trim and beautiful red brick. But we didn't demolish this place. What we did was tore it down to the bones and foundations and then started again. So let's look at some pictures.